Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, really helps me out. And with that being said, we're just going to take a quick look at Verasity then on the daily time frame. As we can see, with Bitcoin having a little bit of a retrace and a drop, I think it dropped about 1 or 2k in the space of like an hour or so. We've obviously seen Verasity come down to this support here of the previous Fibonacci level, sitting at around the just under an 1/8 of a cent. Was this an 8.5 of a cent? Coming down to that Fibonacci level, obviously back testing into this key area here, and also the 100 moving average here as well. But obviously we've seen ourselves falling below that with the Bitcoin retracement in the markets. Obviously a lot of FUD and nonsense as well going on with Verasity at the minute, but overall I think that really we are just seeing quite a lot of retracements across the altcoin market in general. I should say altcoin season very far away right now, but you can see Verasity here still holding bullish market structure in my opinion. Still heading up with higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, this bear market has obviously been long and brutal for Verasity, but we have seen these big spikes in price when we've been getting down to these key levels of support, and right now Verasity is really doing very little different, to be honest. You can see on the hourly time frame here, we obviously came down, broke out, started to consolidate, and then with Bitcoin looking a little bit bearish, we did see ourselves come down here with some of the FUD for Verasity, started to bounce at the fib level, and then you can see here a very large, looks like one big large sell order potentially here for Verasity. You can see in the space of a minute here someone has sold a massive huge bag of Verasity, I think, which has obviously took the price down quite significantly in this area here, as you can see. But overall I think Verasity looking completely fine to me. It's still just consolidating in the bear market. You can see we're still making higher highs and higher lows here going into the bull market for Bitcoin over the next few months. I do think that altcoins are going to do well. Nothing's changed for me for Verasity. I think the fundamentals are completely fine. Everyone's obviously got their own opinions about that. Be that as it may, I do believe, in my personal opinion, that Verasity is going to do completely fine. Proper working company with actual goals. And I like the way that they're not willing to just crumble to people on the internet, basically telling them what they should be doing with their token so people will buy it. I actually prefer them just to do what they want, rather than listening to people just sitting there and constantly saying the same things over and over again. I like the way that they're just getting on with their own business, making sure things are correct from their point of view. And in my opinion, I think it's going to do them better in the long term than, you know, caving into a few people on the internet continuously fudding the project, as it were. So overall, this chart for me still looking very based, as it were. We've got this consolidation for the bear market just like last time. Really, we're just starting to see the start of the bull market, and I still think anywhere from, you know, 20-30 cents anywhere here to around $1 up here, this is my target for the next bull market. I think we're definitely going to get there at some point. Right now just chilling and consolidating really still for the bear market, waiting for that true move for most altcoins. But as always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.